Yeah, hello Adefe. This is Irretifality, and I'm here to introduce you to the product I talked to you about. Uh, I call it the e-library. So there's shortcut from the desktop. Now, so this is what I call the e-library. It's a web-based software that students can use in school. This is the first topic, which is measurement. So now from here is a drop down menu that you can have access to all the topics here, from measurement to copper, which is the last topic. Now, so the first thing that came up is when people talk about e-library, what comes to people's mind is some bunch of PDF files, which I myself, an avid reader, find very difficult to read sometimes. So I thought, well, why will the secondary school want to read that? So I came up with this video tutorials. I don't have to make them. We have tons of them on Facebook, on YouTube rather. So first, I downloaded the YX syllabus to create a template through which I use to download these videos. And by the way, we have for this chemistry alone, there are up to 1,400, very close to 1,400 videos on chemistry alone. So that's the first thing I did, and then I started downloading these videos, and then I had to use to make it a very nice and user friendly. I had to use ADA HTML and to do the code. I learned HTML on the job, and from the way I see it, I think it's a very nice stuff. So now how this work is, from anywhere on this drop down menu you can go to any topic. So let's take a look at structure of an atom. Now we have Thomson atomic model, Bohr atomic model, different topics, isotopes, Rutherford atomic model. All these are topics under structure of an atom. So then you can go to next. We have previous, you have next. So if they want to go back to the previous page, they can go to next. So since this is the last page, the only option here I have is previous. And so now from this second page of structure of an atom, they can go to any uh, topic that they want. So let's take a look at electrolysis. So now, which is one of very interesting topics, because most of the time when you talk about movement of electron, you don't actually see it. Uh, you only get to uh, see them online. So let's take a look at how do they really move. How does electron really move? Now, so the beauty of this work is that the teachers can use it as a teaching in the class. Now, what am I saying? So when we use computer in schools, I focus on educational technology, how we can use more of technology in school, because when we make use of computer, we only use it to teach computer. But what about chemistry? What about physics? What about biology? What about other subjects? How do we make use of computer to teach these subjects? And so that is one of the reasons why I came up with this package. The reason why I call it package and not product is that because I really want to get to the nooks and crannies of the country to make sure that most students have access to this product, and that's why I decided to go for 10,000 naira initially. But because of the value that the schools will place on it, because some people think, okay, if it's 10,000 naira, it's not actually worth it. Now, so someone said I should go for 25,000, another person is saying that I should go for 50. But like someone I showed this product to said, the product will be the one to determine how much we are going to sell it, because in real sense I don't initially want to sell. I just want to collect some of 10,000 naira for installation and logistics. But over time, some people said, okay, if you sell it cheap, people may not actually like it. So let's take a look at some of these videos. They are very, very nice. I love them myself. So uh, connect the two rods so this is an example of Daniel cells. They will see the current flowing like the guy said. Now, so we have most of this stuff, what the galvanic cell animation, how does it work, the electron actually moving, changing to copper, and all the rest. See, so I believe that this will increase efficiency in class, and it's we for now all e-library consists of physics, chemistry, and biology. And biology is another aspect I'm looking forward to. It's very interesting. People get to see how blood circulates the heart body when you get the circulatory system, how the food that you eat moves from the mouth to the anus when you talk about the digestive system. So and the fact that we have tons of videos, and the fact that it's user friendly like these, you can go to next, standard electrical potential, next, let's add the battery and everything. And so after that, then until you now get to the last one, which will take you back to previous. I believe it's user friendly, and I'm just trying to show people to get feedback. I hope you like it. uh, thank you very much for watching. I want it to be used as teaching aid in class so that people can have a kind of experience that they've never had before in class, especially when it comes to teaching of science courses in class. Thank you. I hope you find it interesting. I hope you find it interesting. Now they can even make it to be full screen, and they can take it back by just okay. When they double click it, it goes back. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate the time. Thank you. And I want to add to it that it is offline. That means that students can watch it over and over again without school not incurring money for data, because Nigeria, ability to get uh, internet is very hard, and so that's why it is offline, and so they can watch it as many times as possible.